Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying that today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this single level, and that level is right down here at $1.53. Why is $1.53 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.53. Any sort of closes below that level, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this big base of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, what do you have now? You have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time unfolds. And I'm defining quote-unquote progress as $1.53. Now, what about areas of resistance? In this situation, pretty straightforward. The level that stood out to me immediately, it's all about that pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does indeed tend to act as resistance. So yes, today the price temporarily got above it, but could not close above it. So I'm not saying that the price, it's impossible to break above it. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price started to struggle up around that area, and that'll definitely be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this price movement going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.